This is VIVO Y21S, and today I will show how you can set up the VPN connection on this device. So firstly, you will need to download and install the free third-party app called Turbo VPN. That is the tool that allows us to very easily connect this or any other Android device to VPN. So let's get it real quick. So launch the app once ready, then tap at the agree and continue button, allow or don't allow respectively the notifications, then skip this ad, and finally in order to connect ourselves to VPN, tap over here, confirm or accept the connection request. And here you have it. The VPN was successfully connected to. While at it, you can change the server, country, or even the city that you are currently connected to. Sorry for the tautology. And just like that, you can switch your servers. Finally, okay, so the app shut itself down, apparently. Well, not a great deal at all. Let me quickly show how you can turn off the VPN the normal way without any emergency shutdowns. So in order to do that, just tap at this cross icon over here, then choose the disconnect option. And that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.